Hey friends, welcome to our channel, and today I'm gonna draw a beautiful duck. So if you like to draw a duck, then you have to draw a circle, but I'm directly starting from its head without sketching the circle. And that is why I'm using my eraser again and again and again. Okay, now this is looking pretty cool. And here's the duck's wing. The duck is swimming on the pool. No, not a pool. This is a pond. And a big eye. The duck's eyes are a little spatial, so it should look like that, I think. Oh wow! Absolutely what I was trying to do. And it's the bake. Not that perfect, but so. I'm started coloring, and you can see that I have taken help from a white paper, and this paper helps me to color properly without making any mess. Green! And I'm coloring the duck's back. Always we use this color for the back, and the color is orange. And can you see? I'm drawing the duck's body and tail. Wow, this is brown. And for his wing, I'm just using my pencil to make a which color? To make a gray color. And for the water, as always, blue. Now it's highlighting time. So use a dark colored pencil that makes dark and sketch very nicely. Wow. And the eyes again. Just making a little more darker. Oh wow. My duck is done. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.